Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best kitchen timer is ThermoPro TM02 Digital Kitchen Timer. ThermoPro TM02 is a multifunctional stopwatches timer for kids with the capability of setting 2 timers and displaying the time and date all at the same time. Digital timers can be used for many purposes, such as cooking, sports, yoga, facial care, playing games, studying, working, and more. Use the exercise timer as a clock when you don't need timing. With a large backlit LCD, clock timer display clear readings which allowing you to check the reading or adjust setting even in dim light condition. Set 2 different timers at the same time to monitor multiple tasks with the kid timer, so you can stay on top of everything in your life. This timeout timer with built-in calendar and clock mode and memory feature helps keeping you aware of those important upcoming events. With the easy-to-trigger backlight function, this egg timer for kids helps user control the passage of time even under dark condition. Be the master of time. This oven timer displayed with large digits allows rather convenient and straightforward readouts compared with those dial clock. Put an end to difficult reading and eye strain. Place your minute timer and clock wherever it's most suitable for your environment, such as the countertop with the stand or magnetized to your fridge. Number 2 in our side is KTKUDY Digital Kitchen Timer. KTKUDY Digital Cooking Timer Clock has 3 modes: timer mode for count up and down, clock mode and alarm clock mode. You can just press mode button to change mode, easy to operate. Meet your various needs. Available for more situations. We all dread the situation where our timer rings in the middle of a meeting, class or sound-sensitive environments. Mute and flash mode is the solution of that problem. And ring mode with 70 to 90 decibels loud beeping sound ensures you hear the alarm in another room. No worry about overcook. This compact digital timer packs a lot of possibilities in its tiny package. This timer comes with multiple sound settings, a loud ring mode and a silent flashing mode for when you're in meetings. The digital cooking timer also offers 3 modes: a timer mode that counts up and down, a clock mode, and an alarm clock mode. It's easy and intuitive to use and operate, and features an on and off switch to save battery life. The timer also comes with a magnetic backing to hang on the fridge, and a retractable stand hook so that it can be hung. Third in our best kitchen timer list is Key Kitchen Timer. If you're looking for an old school, straightforward timer, this is the one for you. It's diminutive and doesn't require batteries. Simply twist the knob to the time you desire any time between 1 to 60 minutes and then get cooking. The fact that it does not require any type of battery or electrical power makes it energy efficient and environmentally friendly. When the time is up, an alarm will sound, which you'll be able to hear in another room. The back features a strong magnet so it can be attached to a fridge. This timer is kid and elderly friendly. The kitchen timer will make 80 decibel sound alarming and will last 3 seconds plus 30 milliseconds, when time's up. You will easily be able to hear this alarm in another room. It is loud and clear. You will no more worry about overcook. The mechanical timer doesn't need any batteries, which makes it energy efficient and environmentally friendly. 60-minute cooking timer designed for kitchen cooking time control. 1 key operation. So simple that elderly and kids can use it easily. A square strong magnet on the back of the mechanical timer allows you attach the timer on fridge, refrigerator and other iron surfaces in the kitchen. Ideal for special needs, children, parents, teachers, office staff or professionals, and students. Our fourth pick is ThermoPro Digital Timer and Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP16 food thermometer enables inexperienced or experienced cooks to enjoy the simplest operation imaginable to measure the internal temperature of their meat. Whatever type of meat you wish to cook into whichever preferred doneness level, the TP16 can provide temps for all. Plus, you can also set a timer for vegetable side dishes that need to cook for exactly 10 minutes. The ThermoPro timer can also be used as a thermometer for cooking, that comes with USDA preset temperatures. It can be used to check the temperature of your meat in the smoker, oven, or even on the stovetop. The timer is programmable to turn off whenever preset temperatures are achieved. In timer mode, the digital assistant can be programmed to have the ability to count down and count up that can last up at 99 hours and 59 minutes. The meat probe can stand up to temperatures of 716 degrees Fahrenheit. The kitchen thermometer features a large screen with huge digits, makes the candy thermometer easy to read current food temperature and settings even at a distance. Last in this list is Antoki Digital Kitchen Timer. A perfect digital timer should function well and have a simple design for ease of use. Here is the best-selling timer in 2021. Based on voice of our customers, this whole new timer features loud, silent switch, on-off switch, larger screen and buttons with clear markings for ease of use. It can count both up and down. With this 2-pack reliable timer, you can be confident that your baking cakes will never burn again. Your kids can use it at home to learn when to move from one activity to another. Keeping track of minutes gone by is an effective technique to lessen stress while allowing you to stay focused. You deserve best. This digital timer is often far more exact than an oven, microwave, or smartphone clock because it is made specifically for timing management. You want to make sure when you set it for 1 minute, it will beep at that time and not dock a few vital extra seconds. Plus, we improve larger screen and bigger digits on this upgraded version timer. It is easy to view from any angles or hear clearly from another room. The built-in memory setting offers convenience to avoid having to reset it each time. Fast forward to set 60 minutes by pressing and holding the minute button for over 3 seconds. As a basic countdown timer for time management, you deserve it.